Which wireless car cup holder phone mount is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, wireless car charger phone mount. Let's kick things off with the wireless car charger phone mount. This 3-in-1 device caught my attention because of its auto-clamping feature and fast charging capability, priced at $46.79. If you want a reliable way to keep your phone charged while driving, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the 15W fast charging that means you won't be left with a dead phone during your commute. The auto-clamping feature ensures your phone stays secure, so you can focus on the road without worrying about your device slipping out. Plus, it's compatible with all smartphones, making it convenient for anyone. With over 200 units sold in just the past month, it's clear people are interested in this one. Now, some folks have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky in the cup holder. Here's the thing though, if you drive a larger vehicle or have a deeper cup holder, it might not be a deal breaker at all. It's still an excellent option for those who prioritize fast charging and security. This is perfect for you if you're someone who uses your phone for navigation and needs it charged at the same time. Skip this one if you drive a smaller car with limited cup holder space. It's a solid investment for the convenience it offers. Now, if that bulkiness in the cup holder bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, cup holder phone mount with auto clamping. Next up is the cup holder phone mount with auto clamping. Priced at $27.49, this 2-in-1 wireless charger has a lot to offer, especially with its quick extension, long arm, and 360 degrees rotation. If you need flexibility while driving, this might catch your interest. The fast charging feature at 15W ensures you get a top-up quickly, which is a must for those busy days. With this mount, you can adjust your phone to any angle, making it super user-friendly. This model has also been bought by over 200 customers recently, indicating a growing interest. However, some users reported that the long arm can feel a bit wobbly at times. I'll be real with you, if you're on bumpy roads, it might not be as stable as you'd like. But for most situations, I think it's a manageable trade-off for the convenience it provides. This is perfect for you if you like to adjust your phone's angle for better visibility, or if you often have multiple devices to charge. Skip this one if you're looking for something more solid and anchored. For the price, you're getting great functionality and ease of use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more compact design. Product number 3, dual coil 15W cup phone holder mount. Finally, let's talk about the dual coil 15W cup phone holder mount, priced at $39.20. This one caught my eye for its dual coil feature, which means it can charge your phone even faster. If you're all about speed and efficiency, this is worth considering. The dual coil design allows for a more efficient charging process, meaning you get to enjoy a full battery in no time. It also features auto clamping, so you can be sure your phone won't budge when you make a turn. Compatibility is broad here too, working well with the latest iPhones and Samsung models. It's currently attracting a lot of attention, having no reviews yet but showing promising sales. Now, some users might find the design a bit too simplistic or plain. But honestly, if you want something that focuses on functionality over flashy looks, this could be a non-issue. It does what it's supposed to do extremely well. This is perfect for you if speed is your top priority and you drive a vehicle with standard cup holder sizes. Skip this one if you need something with more style or additional features. For the price, it balances performance and functionality quite well. So to wrap it all up, the wireless car charger phone mount offers security and fast charging, while the cup holder phone mount with auto clamping gives you flexibility and ease of use. Finally, the dual coil 15W cup phone holder mount really shines in efficiency. Each of these options has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you value most while driving.